kami sa aming lote to check it out. Dito rin kami kumain last time. May hotel pala sa likod, oh. That's nice. Tapos may kainan, may labahan. Yan, nice. Kagagawa lang siya, no? Mukhang kagagawa lang, ano?
September pa.
September? Oh, okay. That's good. Ayan, yan ang Lomi Batangas. Sa Bicol Express. Bangus. So, ang dami naman.
One of their best sellers, right?
Thank you.
Calamansi juice.
Bagus mo, masarap din. Thank you.
Meron po kami lechon lang, nakatunan niyo muna.
Mamaya.
Thank you.
Magkakain.
Ito ibang bagong clubhouse. Ang pangalan ni Grand Coral Clubhouse. Kabila lang ito, beach na.
Napatanggal talaga namin.
So,
Pero ayaw
siya.
nilang kumain.
Yan na ngayon ng mga bahay.
Ilan daw namin.
So that's the road. Tapos ito aming ano. May mga bahay na siya, may playground pa.
Yan, alam na natin. Corner ng Greenland at saka Hudson.
Lots of houses now. Marami na siyang bahay. Look at this new clubhouse. So yung property namin is way over there. Mga 15 minutes mo. Nasa beach ka na. Yan. 15. Yan. Kita kahit ikaw maglakad dito yung hina. Yan tao. Oh look. Meron silang road along the coastal road. Oh. There's the beach. Look at it. So what do you think?
I think I'm moving here.
You're moving. Look at it. It's so nice.
And so are you. Yeah.
Our lot is located at this site, right over there. About 15 minutes walk, and here's the beach already.